From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on this Monday, October 4th. You know, the markets are quiet here this morning, and we hate to continue to start it out on that note, but that's exactly what we're looking at again. That doesn't mean that they're firm. They're actually very weak. The S&P right now is down about 9 handles. And what we did in the equity report this morning, we came out with a couple of reasons why we thought the markets would be lower. One was that there was a couple of bank closures that occurred last Friday and into the weekend. I think the total bank foreclosures is about 129 or 130 on the year. But other than that, you know what, the markets had a big rally here. And as we went into the end of the quarter, we figured that there would be some repositioning. And that's kind of what we're seeing today. It really is. The markets are a little bit overbought. They're up against a critical level in the S&P, which is the 1150, 1155 level. And we tend to think at the desk that the markets have kind of gone far enough, that maybe they need a little bit of rest on the downside. Now, last week's low came in 1127.30, and this morning's low is down about 11 handles down at the 1131 half level, and we're actually around 1133 even last. So we're not too far off those lows. The equity report came out saying that we thought you should sell rallies, and so far that's been the correct call. But you know what, in other markets that we're looking at this morning, over in the corn, John Najarian took me over into the corn last week, and what was going on there was the market, the corn was limit down. And part of the reasoning for that is that what a lot of people are not talking about is that according to reportable positions in the corn market, there is right now those reportable positions in the corn market are at the highest level they have ever been. In other words, there's more longs in corn right now than ever before. And what happened on Friday was the market sold off, went limit down. This morning it opened lower, went down a little bit, and now is recovered. So you know what, there is some other trade going on here, but you know, in a lot of these interest rates that we're seeing on the floor, it's rather quiet. As far as the rest of the day is concerned, we kind of think that the markets are going to continue on a little bit of a down note. We have 1127 as our support area. That would be the key area. And on the upside, we have the 1139 to 42, 43 as our resistance. Volumes are light here. We'll be back tomorrow with another update.